Now, myself, Love Singh, and I'm the physics teacher in the Virtual Academy. Now, our motto is what? With every new day, fresh day, we are present over here with a new topic. Now, what chapter is going on? Our chapter is unit and the measurement. What? Unit and measurement. Now, with every new day, we are present here over here with a new topic. Now, today's topic is very interesting and very easy. It's measurement of mass. Basically, measurement of mass. Because of starting measurement of mass, what is mass? If I am asking question to all of you, what is mass? We know very well that we have to measure the value of mass, but what about the mass? What is the proper definition of mass? Before starting that, I would like to explain what is the proper definition of mass. It is the quantity of matter. इट इज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर. अगर मैं बोलूं कि बॉडी पर पर्टिकुलर मास नहीं है तो मैटर कहलाएगा. अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं मैटर क्या होता है, बट ऑब्वियस मैटर में दो चीज होनी चाहिए. इट मस्ट हैव मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई सम स्पेस. if body does not contain mass, then it occupies space. No, it means it is not a matter. Clear? The mass is a quantity of matter. Clear? If any body are surviving on the earth surface anywhere in the universe, so they must contain what? Mass. So basically for matter body occupy some space and possess some mass. After that, so आपने तो बोला mass clear है. Mass is a quantity of matter. What about the measurement? What about the measurement? Basically, I'm body. I'm also a body. I'm a matter or no? I have a question for all of you. I'm a matter or no? Yes, I'm a matter because I have a mass and occupy some space like that. Sir, आप कैसे बोल रहे हो कि मैं space occupy कर रहे हो आप? तो मैंने क्या बोला? Particular मेरा weight है, mass है. My mass is what? 60 kg. 60 kg, 70 kg, 80 kg, like that. And I am present in the closed classroom. So I occupy some space. It means what? I am a matter. Matter. What? Matter. Clear, sir? तो मैटर के लिए मस्ट रिक्वायर दो चीज क्या है? मस्ट बी रिक्वायर्ड क्या है? मस्ट बी रिक्वायर्ड मास एंड द स्पेस. सो मैं दोनों चीज ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा हूं. मेरे पास दोनों चीजें, स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा हूं और मेरे अंदर पर्टिकुलर मास है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट मास. नाउ बेसिकली mass is a property of matter. What? Mass is a property of matter. Mass is a basically property of matter. अगर मैटर रिक्वायरमेंट है, अगर मैटर बोलना है, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. अगर मुझे बोला मैं मैटर हूं तो मस्ट बी कंटेन, मेरी बॉडी में क्या होना चाहिए? मास. इफ एनी बॉडी डज नॉट कंटेन एनी मास देन इट इज नॉट अ मैटर. क्लियर क्वेश्चन? तो मैंने क्या बोला? मैटर की क्या बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी क्या होनी चाहिए? क्या होनी चाहिए? मास. इट इज अ बेसिक property of matter. What? Mass is a basic property of matter. Now what is mass? It is the quantity of matter. It is the quantity of matter. Sir, आप इसका मतलब क्या clear होगा sir? Dear student, those who are attending my lecture, please give your thumb. First, I want to know. Please, those students who are attending my lecture and those students who are online and teaching the unit and measurement, please give your thumb because I want to know. Now, what is mass? It is a quantity of matter. Sir, आप क्या बोल रहे हो? Quantity of matter. तो basically यहाँ पे क्या बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about mass. It have a certain quantity. Is a quantity of matter. It means what? Suppose ये बोर्ड है, ये बोर्ड है, बट ऑब्वियस इसका मास है, इसका मास है और ये पर्टिकुलर क्या कर रहा है? एक स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है पूरे अर्थ सरफेस पे. और सपोज ये अर्थ के रूम के अंदर है तो वो क्या कर रहा है? स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है. बट व्हाट अबाउट मास? इट इज अ क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर. मतलब वो पर्टिकुलर उस बॉडी का मास क्या वो इंडिकेट करेगा. मैटर के अंदर उसकी क्वांटिटी इंडिकेट जो करता है वो हमारा होता है मास. क्लियर? सो इट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैटर. आफ्टर दैट, it is a property of matter. So I have a question for all of you. What is mass? What is mass? It is a quantity of matter. Now what is basic unit for the mass? What is the basic unit for the mass? I have a question for all of you. What is the basic unit of mass? Yes, simply today's topic is measurement of mass. Clear? Measurement of Mass. Dear student, please give your thumb. Those who are attending my lecture, fast, quick. Now, today's topic is what? Measurement of mass. In short, mass is quantity of matter. And not today, we are going to measure that quantity. We are going to measure that quantity. What is mass? It is a quantity of matter. क्लियर. बेसिकली क्या इंडिकेट करेगा? क्वांटिटी इंडिकेट करता है. सपोज कोई बॉडी है तो क्या इंडिकेट करेगा? सपोज इतना केजी है, मतलब वो क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? क्वांटिटी. नाउ क्वांटिटी किसकी इंडिकेट करेगा? बट ऑब्वियस मास की. सो बेसिकली yes, I am getting the thumb from the Guru, Anamika and many more dear student fast. Now I am getting the what? Quantity. It means what? कितने अमाउंट में, कितनी केजी में है. It's a quantity. वो किसका इंडिकेट करेगा? मास पर्टिकुलर. क्लियर. अगर सपोज मैं एग्जांपल लूं कि मेरी बॉडी है बट इसकी क्वांटिटी क्या है? क्वांटिटी क्या है? इट्स 80 केजी. इट्स 80 केजी. इट मींस व्हाट? 80 केजी इज अ क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर. 80 केजी इज क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर. क्लियर. तो मास इज बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी फॉर व्हाट? Basic property for what? Matters. After that, I have a question for all of you. What is the SI unit of mass? If I am talking about SI unit of mass, then it is kilogram. It's a kilogram. In symbol, we can write it kg. Clear, student? Any doubt? What is mass? What is we have to study today for the measurement of mass? Now, it is a basic property of matter. Now, if you are going to talk about the SI unit, no, what is the SI unit of mass? It's a kilogram. But dear student, I would like to tell you one thing that अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं, if I am asking question to all of you, is mass depend on temperature? Is mass depend on temperature, pressure, or location? If I am telling you that, is mass depend on temperature, pressure, and the location of a body, then it is correct or no? No. Dear student, just listen carefully and try to catch my words. Mass does not depend on temperature, pressure, and location. What? Mass does not depends on what? On temperature, pressure, and the location of a body. Clear? It means what? Mass is not going to deal with temperature, pressure, and the location of that body. It means what? Mass is not going to change when there is a change in temperature. Mass is not going to change when there is a change in pressure. Mass is not going to change when there is a location. Doesn't matter. Clear? So it means what? Mass does not change with respect to the temperature, pressure, and the location. Clear? Mass किसके ऊपर depend नहीं करता? Temperature, pressure, and the location of the body. After that, मैंने क्या बोला? SI unit of what? Question for the Guru. I will explain later. Okay? Now, कैसे आपने बोला मास डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर एंड लोकेशन? सपोज मैंने बोला जस्ट 5 मिनट्स में अभी यहाँ पे हूँ, लाइक इन अंकलेश्वर. आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स आई हैव ट्रेवल्ड टू द व्हाट? भरूच. एट दैट टाइम location changes. I am here in Ankleshwar, but after some time I am here, I am at Bharuch. Clear? After 5 to 10 minutes. Now, what about my mass? Mass is going to change. Mass of my body is going to change. Suppose in Ankleshwar, the mass of my body is 82 kg. Now, after 10 minutes, if you are traveling from Ankleshwar to Bharuch. If you are traveling from Ankleshwar to Bharuch, it's a 82 kg. Same remain. Clear? It's remain same na? Yes or no? Yes or no? If we are on Earth and again if we are Moon, then our mass change. Yes, but always because if we are talking about gravity, the gravitational force on the Earth is acting. But what about the Moon? What about the other planets? The gravity remains constant. The gravity of the Earth, planet, Moon, star, Sun is equal? No. Because of that, the mass of our body on the Earth and the Moon is varied. If my weight is here 60 kg, if my weight is here, if my mass is what 60 kg, then what about the Moon? It's a 1/6. It's a 1/6 of the Earth. What? It's a 1/6 of the Earth. Suppose my mass is 60 kg. What? 60 kg on the Earth. Clear? What about my mass on the? What about my mass on the Moon? So 60 divided by 6. It's a 10 kg. It's a 10 kg on Moon. Clear? Just remember one thing. Your mass on the Earth surface. Your mass on the Earth surface. And if you are going to talk about mass on the Moon, then it's a 1/6. It's a 1/6 of a Earth surface. It's a 1/6 of the. No, I'm not talking about location or place. I'm talking about location and the place. We will keep it on. I will explain later further in a explain detail. Now, I'm talking about example of Ankleshwar. If my weight is 82 kg in a Ankleshwar, if I travel at a Bharuch after 10 minutes, it's remain what? 82 kg. Now, if I'm talking about that, my mass is 82 kg in Ankleshwar at a 32 degrees Celsius. 82 kg at a 32 degrees Celsius. Clear? It's a 32 degrees Celsius at Ankleshwar. After that, the temperature of a Bharuch is 40 degrees Celsius. But mass of a body remains same. Mass of a body remains same. I will send you what proper clear concept about it in a group also, and after completing the lecture I will explain in a brief. Clear? No, I'm talking about just listen group. What about the Moon? What about the Moon? It's a location. Yes, it's a location. But I am talking about the Earth surface. I am totally dealing with what? Earth surface. If I'm going to tell about kg on the Earth surface, but there is any man on the Moon, he's know what is mass, what is kg, what is length, what is temperature. No, but I am totally dealing with what? It's a totally Earth surface. It's a totally happening on Earth surface. It's total all about Earth surface. If I'm talking about temperature, pressure and the location, it's a Earth surface. But अगर आपका अगर एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं कि सर मून की एग्जांपल, तब तो मेरा सन पे जाऊंगा. 5000 केल्विन, 5000 केल्विन उसका टेम्परेचर है. देन वहां पे तो बॉडी बचेगी ही नहीं. बॉडी क्या होगी? एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं होगी. बॉडी क्या होगी? टोटली एस बन जाएगी पूरी रात. Then what about the mass? Zero. What about the mass? So we are totally dealing with what are going on the Earth surface. We are totally dealing with temperature, pressure, and the location on the Earth surface only. We are not going to deal with a moon, sun, planet, stars. Okay, Guru? Got it? Yes, very good. Clear hua? We are totally dealing with what? On the Earth surface. We are not going to deal with sun, moons and the star like that. Because of that, मैंने क्या बोला सन का एग्जांपल है. अब सर आपने बोला टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता. टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता क्या? हमारा मास टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता. बट अर्थ सरफेस पे अगर मैं सन के पास जा रहा हूं और सन का टेम्परेचर 5000 केल्विन टेम्परेचर है, तो बट ऑब्वियस हमारे बॉडी का मास क्या रहेगा? ये रहेगा 82 kg, 60 kg लाइक दैट. इट्स 0 kg. इट मींस व्हाट? एस बन जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगा हमारा? एस बन जाएगा. इट मींस व्हाट? राख बन जाएंगे हम लोग. क्लियर? सो वी आर डीलिंग विथ व्हाट? अर्थ सरफेस. गुरु गॉट इट? यस, वेरी गुड. आफ्टर दैट, now I'm telling about SI unit. SI unit of mass is केजी और किलोग्राम. क्लियर? इट्स अ केजी और किलोग्राम. बट सर ये आया कैसे? ये आया कैसे? केजी एंड द किलोग्राम कैसे ये डिराइव हुआ? तो बेसिकली जो यूनिट डिराइव है केजी और किलोग्राम, इसका प्रोटोटाइप रखा हुआ है. इससे डिसाइड किसने किया? ये पता इंटरनेशनली स्टैंडर्ड है. जो केजी और किलोग्राम है ये इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड और इंटरनेशनली स्टैंडर्ड है. इट मींस व्हाट? जो केजी है यूनिट पर्टिकुलर मास की, वो क्या है? इंटरनेशनली सेटअप किया हुआ है. क्लियर? इट्स इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड. आफ्टर दैट मैंने क्या बोला? ये इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड है. इट मींस नो वन आर गोइंग टू चेंज. बट इसका प्रोटोटाइप है. इसका प्रोटोटाइप किसने दिया है? जो इसका यूनिट है किलोग्राम, इट्स अ प्रोटोटाइप इज गिवन बाय इट इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड एंड इट इज गिवन बाय, all of you want to know, it is given by which nation or which laboratory? Yes, it is a international international bureau of weight and measure. International bureau of weight and measure. क्लियर? मैंने क्या बोला? ये जो हमारा किलोग्राम की ऐसा यूनिट है वो किसने दी है? If I'm asking question to all of you, if any person is asking question to all of you, what is SI unit of mass? It's a kg. But from where it is originated? It is given by International Bureau of Weight and Measure. It is given by International Bureau of Weight and Measure. Clear, dear student? ये किसने दिया हमारा? It's a internationally standard. The unit of mass kg. The unit of mass is kg. It's a kilogram. It's a internationally standard. Just remember this word. It is given by International Bureau of Weight and the Measure. Clear? International Bureau of Weight and Measure. After that, sir, ये तो इन क्या होगी बात? प्रोटोटाइप कहाँ है? कहाँ पे? इंटरनेशनली. बट व्हाट अबाउट इंडिया? बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इट्स अ शॉर्ट नेम BIPM. BIPM, it's a short name of particular that. Just remember one thing. It's also known as BIPM. Clear? It's not a full form. It's also known as BIPM. Now, किलोग्राम, इंटरनेशनल ब्यूरो ऑफ वेट एंड मेजर, इसने क्या किया था? जो ऐसा यूनिट है किलोग्राम, उसने क्या दिया था? प्रोटोटाइप उसका किया था क्रिएट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट सर, वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन दैट फ्रॉम इन इंडिया वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड. इफ प्रोटोटाइप इज already prepared from this laboratory, but what about India? So just remember, there is a one standard fixed by one laboratory, but there is a one laboratory present everywhere in each country. In each country there is a one laboratory. In each country there is a one laboratory who is defining the standard. But what about the India, where it is located? But what about the India? What when means? You can repeat it. International Bureau of Weight and Measure. Sir, it is internationally. But what about India? It's in India. This kind of laboratory are present and situated at New Delhi. Where? It's a New Delhi. It's a New Delhi. And what is the name of that laboratory? What is the name of that laboratory? National Physical Laboratory. Clear? It's a internationally. But what about the India? It is situated in New Delhi. It is situated at New Delhi. And what is that name? What is the name of that laboratory? It's a National Physical Laboratory. Clear? Do you stand clear? Now, after completing that, what is mass? What is SI unit? How it is originated? How it is created? What about the impact, temperature, pressure and the location. After that, agar मैं बोलूं, if I have a question that if I am going to measure what molecules, atoms, then it is possible that I can measure it directly. If I am going to measure about hydrogen, if I want to measure carbon, its mass, I'm talking about its mass. If I want to measure the mass of carbon, if I want to measure the mass of hydrogen, then it is possible that we can measure it directly with the help of weight machine. It is possible. Dear, I have a question that if we want to measure the mass of hydrogen, carbon, helium, like that elements or the atoms, then we can measure it directly with the help of weight machine. No, it's a totally wrong. It's not possible to directly measure with the help of weight machine. After that, now today we are also going to study how sir it measure. How sir it is measure. Now listen carefully. So it means what? If you are going to deal with atoms, molecules and the elements, then it is convenient that we can measure it with the help of kilogram. It is convenient. We can measure it with the help of kilogram in terms of kilogram. I have a question that I am asking question to all of you. If we are going to measure mass of element, molecules, atoms, then it is possible that we have to use kilogram. It is right? It is right or wrong if you are using kilogram? It's a totally incorrect. If you are going to measure the masses of that molecules, elements and atom with in terms of kg, it is right. No, it's a wrong. It's a wrong. We can't measure directly in terms of kilogram. So we have particular one thing to measure such kind of masses of that molecules, elements and the atoms. So we one thing, just remember, I'm writing something here. You have to pay focus and try to catch that word. You have to pay focus and try to catch that word. It's a unified atomic mass unit. Clear? It's a mu. Clear? We have a new unit. We have a new unit to measure particular mass of molecules, elements and atom. What is that? Unified atomic mass unit. What? It's a unified atomic mass unit, and particular every unit have contained some symbol. Every unit contains some symbol. So for basically for the measurement of elements, molecules and atom, we have unified atomic mass unit. Its symbol is mu. Its symbol is mu. But sir, we have a question. We have a question that how it is used. How it is used. So it's a very easy. It's totally going to deal in the comparison of carbon. We are taking the example of carbon. Suppose 1 mu. It's a unified atomic mass unit. Sir, but है क्या? What is that? It is totally new for us. आपके लिए नया है ना? But I am going to explain. 1 mu. मैंने क्या बोला? It's a 1 mu. Clear? दिख रहा है? It's a no sir. ये क्या है sir? What is this? No guru. It's a mu. mu. It's a mu. This symbol is known as mu. Just like cat is known as meow. Just in the same way, it's a mu. Clear? Mu. Not a mu. It's a mu. Clear? Now, after that, मैंने क्या बोला? अगर 1 kg equal to what is the SI unit of kilogram? What is the SI unit of mass? It's a kilogram. But if you are going to deal, we have to convert kilogram in terms of gram. Then 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Clear? So in the same way, we have taken the 1 mu. It's a unified atomic mass unit. What's the 1 mu? Now 1 mu is equal to 1/12 Now, what is 1/12? What is 1/12? 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon. Clear? What is that? What is that? 1 mu equal to 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon. What is 1 mu? It's a 1/12. It's a 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon. If I'm going to tell that, no, Guru, I'm explaining that. Don't worry about. If I'm going to tell that what is atomic mass of carbon, atomic number of carbon. What is atomic mass and atomic number of carbon? Atomic mass for the carbon is 12. Atomic mass for the carbon is 12. Atomic number is 6. I'm right or wrong? It's the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Clear? So it's a 1/12. It's a 1/12 of carbon. Carbon का क्या? Carbon का क्या? Mass. We are dealing with what? Mass. We are not going to deal with atomic number. We are dealing with mass. So 1 mu equal to, just for your information, you have to just remember this word. Simply, 1 mu, simply, just I'm repeating. If we have a question that, कि sir, अगर हमें बड़ी बड़ी यूनिट छोटी छोटी यूनिट मेजर करनी तो डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं कैसे? वेट मशीन से. अगर हमें मेरा मास मेजरमेंट करना है, अगर सपोज आप स्टूडेंट लोग का मास मेजर करना है या इस मास का मास मेजरमेंट करना है, then at that time we are use weight machine. But what about the masses of elements, molecules, atoms? It's a very small and the tiny, so it can't measure directly with the help of weight machine. So at that time we are using such kind of unit. It's a unified atomic mass. Clear? हमको ये यूनिट कब यूज करनी? Clear? Unified atomic mass. Its symbol is mu. Now we have to study what is mu. So 1 mu equal to 1/12 of a mass of an atom of carbon. ये क्या होता है? 1 mu किसके इक्वल है? 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon. किसकी? हम लोग किससे डील करें? मास. So we are dealing with mass. So we are going to deal with atomic mass of carbon. It's a 12. Clear? तो हमारा 1 mu किसके इक्वल? तो 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon. So after that, नो सर ये है क्या? अगर मैं बोलूं C6 and 12, ये है क्या? C12 है क्या हमारा? If I am asking question C12, what is C12? What is C12? Yes, what is C12? Those dear student, I would like to say that those who are attending my lecture, please give your thumb. I want to know, yeah, because I'm here to study. I'm here over here to provide you education. So I want to know how many of you are catching that. How many of you are paying attention on that words? Clear? So please give your thumb. Now, today I have got a lots of questions from the Guru. It's very good. You are progressing now, Guru. You have to pay focus on your study. Now, Namika, you have any doubt? You have any doubt? No. After that, we have clear such condition. After that, I'm talking about 6 and 12. See, but downward is a 6 and superscript. It's a 12. Now 12 is atomic mass, 6 is atomic number. But it is what? It's an isotope. It's a isotopes. What is isotopes? Agar hydrogen, if you are going to talk about hydrogen, the hydrogen, it's a 3 isotopes: hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. Clear? So like that, C6 and the 12, superscript is 12. It's a C12 is the isotopes of what? Carbon. It's an isotope of carbon. After that, sir, ये concept हमारा clear हुआ. ये concept क्या हमारा clear हो गया कि हमें measure करना है in terms of किसमें होगा हमारा? कार्बन के आइसोटोप्स के टर्म में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? मेजर करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट, क्लियर, वी आर गोइंग टू डील विथ म्यू, यूनिफाइड एटॉमिक मास. क्लियर? नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, Dishita and dear student, please give your thumb. Please give your thumb. If you would like to that, I will study in a good way. So I want your feedback. Because of your feedback, I don't know what kind of education is providing to you. Because I want your feedback. Clear? So as a feedback, you can give your thumb. If you are knowing all the things, you are catching all the things in your mind, then you can give your thumb first. After that. क्लियर हुआ? अब सर हमने कर लिया मेजर किसके टर्म्स में, बड़ी बड़ी यूनिट, छोटी छोटी यूनिट. बट I have a question that I want to measure the mass of the earth. If I want to measure the mass of the earth, if I want to measure mass of the moon, what mass? Clear? If I want to measure mass of the earth, but I have a question that at that time क्या हम वहां पे वेट मशीन ले जाएंगे? चल अर्थ भाई यहाँ पे हमारा वेट मशीन रखा, उसके ऊपर अर्थ को रखा, then it is possible that we can measure the value of earth, we can measure the mass of earth. No, we can't measure the mass of the earth, we can't measure the mass of the earth because it is not possible. Can we put the earth on any instrument? It is possible. No. If we are going to measure the mass of moon, so it is possible that at that time we are using weight machine, we can put the moon on the weight machine, and after that weight machine is indicating what is the mass of moon, then it is right. No. So we have a one method, we will study in a deep, we will study that in a deep in a chapter number 8. It's a gravitational chapter. Now, but for your kind information, I am giving the basic things how it is possible to measure that. Clear? How it is measured that? तो सिंपली तीन चीजें की बेस पे बाइफरकेट कर रहा हूं. एक पर्टिकुलर जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट से मेजर हो जाए डायरेक्टली, या कोई बॉडी है, ठीक है, उसका मेजरमेंट करना है. अगर कोई स्मॉल बॉडी है, स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स जस्ट लाइक अ मॉलिक्यूल्स है, एलिमेंट्स है, एटम है, उसको कैसे मेजरमेंट करना है. और सपोज जो बड़ी बॉडी है उसको कैसे मेजरमेंट करना है. सो फॉर दैट क्लियर, सपोज तीन पार्ट्स में बाइफरकेट किया. एक नॉर्मल बॉडी, सेम जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, कोई चीज पड़ी हो उसको मेजरमेंट करना है. दूसरी क्या है, एकदम टाइनी बॉडी, एलिमेंट्स हो, मॉलिक्यूल्स हो, एटम्स हो, क्लियर, उसको मेजरमेंट कैसे करना, वो सेकंड पार्ट. थर्ड है क्या, हमारी लार्ज साइज की बॉडी कैसे मेजरमेंट होगी, जस्ट लाइक ए सन, मून, प्लैनेट, अर्थ, स्टार्स. क्लियर? सो ओवर हियर आपको जानना है कौन कौन से मेथड है. यस और नो, यस और नो, क्वेश्चन जाना है कि नहीं? If you don't want to know, then I will stopping my lecture over here. You want to know? Yes, all of you. We have to passionate. We are a student of science. So we have always passionate. Then how it is happening? How should it happen? What is the reason behind that? What is the impact? Clear? So we are the student of science. So we have such kind of curiosity in our mind. We have to develop such kind of curiosity in our mind. So as a student of science, the imagination power. What I'm talking about, imagination power. So the imagination power of the science student have a very strong. It's necessary to get a success or grant a success. What? Success, grant success, and highly successful person. So it's totally depend on your imagination power. आफ्टर दैट सर सिंपली पहला क्या था, अगर नॉर्मल मैटर पड़ा है, नॉर्मल बॉडी है, ठीक है, सपोज ह्यूमन बीइंग है, क्या है, ह्यूमन बीइंग या फ्रूट्स है, वेजिटेबल्स है, या कोई मशीन है, लाइक दैट. व्हाट दिशिता, इफ पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज, will the mass of earth also increase? But obviously अब the population is increased. Now अगर मैं बोलूं मैं कहां सर्वाइव कर रहा हूं, मैं क्या हूं, एक मैटर. मैटर क्या होता है, मैं क्या हूं, सपोज ये कौन है, लव सर, ठीक है. लव सर किसके बने हुए हैं, दो चीज के. किसके, दो चीज के. पहला क्या है, लॉ चीज क्या है? लॉ सर क्या है? आई एम अ मैटर. Who is law sir? Law sir is a matter. I am a matter, and I am made of two things. Which is that? First is mass. Clear. Second is occupy space. क्या? Clear. मैंने क्या बोला? मैं क्या हूं? Law sir. I am a matter. I am a matter. What? Because I have a mass. मेरे पास particular mass है ना. मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर. बट यहां पे दिख रहा है स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा हूं, बट आई एम ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस ऑफ विच रीजन? आई एम ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस ऑफ विच रीजन? सो इट्स अर्थ. सो इट्स अर्थ ना. अर्थ ना. बॉडी मेरी ये है, मैटर ही है, तो मैटर है, तो मैटर के अंदर मास है, ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस है, तो स्पेस कहां की ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा हूं? अर्थ की. अर्थ की कर रहा हूं ना. मैं क्या हूं भाई? धरती का बोझ. अगर सपोज आई एम थिंक दैट आई एम धरती का बोझ, सो इट्स अ मास ना. Mass is also on the earth. It's also on the earth. So as the population increase, as per your question, as the population increase, the mass is also increase, and we are talking about mass of earth. Your question is what, sir? It is possible that if population increases, then the mass of earth is increasing. But obvious, you are right. If the mass of the earth is increases, if the population increase, then the mass of the earth increase. So but obvious, the mass of earth is increases as per the increase in population. Clear? Teshita, clear? Yes. Clear? क्योंकि मैटर होता क्या है? मास का होता है, ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस करता है, बट रहता कहां पे? अर्थ पे ही रहता है ना. तो अर्थ पे क्या हो रहा है? मास तो बढ़ रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मास बढ़ रहा है, तो मतलब अर्थ का बढ़ेगा. सपोज ये मार्कर है, सपोज मैं बेड के ऊपर हूं. बेड है, बेड हमारा अर्थ है, बेड हमारा अर्थ है, और मैं क्या हूं? उसके ऊपर मैटर हूं. बट मैटर के अंदर क्या है? मास, स्पेस. तो मैंने बेड क्या? हमारा अर्थ, उसके ऊपर हमारी मास है, बॉडी, और क्या करें? उस बेड की जगह को ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं. बट अब बेड के ऊपर दूसरा बंदा आ गया, 3 4 5 10 बंदे आ गए, अब बेड को उठाओ. इट इज पॉसिबल टू कैरी ऑन? नो. सो एज पर दैट मेथड. क्लियर हुआ इस एग्जांपल से कि अगर मास इंक्रीज हो रहा है, पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो रही है अर्थ पे, तो बट ऑब्वियस अर्थ का भी क्या होगा? मास इंक्रीज होगा. क्लियर ना. मैंने बोला बॉडी, ह्यूमन बीइंग, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, एवरीथिंग, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, मशीन, एवरीथिंग कैन बी मेजर्ड. सपोज मैं बोला ट्रक का मेजरमेंट करना है, अगर कोई लकड़ी चीज है या कोई रूम चीज है, लाइक दैट, कोई ट्रक भरा रहता है, उसका मेजरमेंट करना, तो सिंपली क्या जाते हैं? कांटे पे. देखा है बड़ी बड़ी व्हीकल्स मेजर होती है, तो सिंपली हमारे पास क्या है? वेट मशीन टू मेजर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट डायरेक्टली, लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, व्हीकल्स, साइकिल्स, मोटरसाइकिल्स. क्लियर? लाइक दैट. बट आज मैंने एक मेथड बताया, म्यू, यूनिफाइड एटॉमिक मास नंबर. क्लियर? उससे हम लोग क्या मेजर करेंगे? मॉलिक्यूल्स, जो छोटे छोटे मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे, एटम्स होंगे, क्लियर, एलिमेंट्स होंगे, उसको मेजरमेंट करेंगे उसकी टर्म्स में, इन टर्म्स ऑफ isotopes of carbon. It's a C12 isotopes of carbon. Now what about, sir, काहे को इतने क्यूरियोसिटी क्रिएट कर रहे हो? क्लियर करो सर. You want to know? I have a question that all of you want to know कि हम मेजर कैसे करेंगे अर्थ का मास, मून का मास? yes or no? yes or no? जाना है कि नहीं? no. If you, all of you don't want to know, then I am stopping my lecture over here. You want to know? Yes or no? Yes or no? So we have a simple method. Please, dear student, give your thumb if you want to know. I'm getting the answer from the Disita. Just Disita want to know how, sir, it is possible to measure the mass of the earth and the moon. Yes, sir. I want to know that. I'm such a guy, I'm such a fellow that, this is, I'm talking about you, I'm such a fellow that I want to know how it is possible to measure the mass of the earth and the moon. And Anamika is also want to know that how it is possible. It is possible, dear. Don't about that. Don't think so much. I'm telling that method. Don't think about so much. But I'm feeling very proud of you, all of you, because you have a question like that. Clear? So we have a reason, we have a basic reason and the method to how we can measure the mass of earth and the moon. So it's nothing but a great scientist is present everywhere. It's a Newton. It's a Sir Newton. It's a Sir Newton. Now we already know that the scientist Newton, sir. Newton is a very great scientist. So Newton is present everywhere. Newton is present everywhere. But sir, Newton बोल रहे हो आप, कौन सा मेथड है सर, बताओ तो सही, कैसे फाइंड आउट होगा? So dear student, it's Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. What? I'm telling that Newton's law of gravitation. Sir, क्या है? So, dear student, with the help of Newton's law of gravitation, we can find the mass and calculate the masses of any planet, Earth, Moon, stars, like that. With the help of new method, that method is Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. Clear? Dear student, clear? But sir, we want to know how it is possible we can measure the mass of that bodies. Newton's law of gravitation. So, dear student, don't feel what? Don't feel too much load. Don't take try to too much load. We will study in a complete chapter in a detail, and at that time we will also enjoy in a chapter number 8 in a semester first of in a standard 11 semester first in chapter number 8 gravitation. We will study in a brief how it is calculated. But if I'm a question that atomic and the subatomic, atomic, clear dear student, clear हुआ concept कैसे होगा? Atomic and subatomic matter है, मेरे पास एटॉमिक और सब एटॉमिक मैटर है, तो उसको सर मेजरमेंट कैसे करेंगे? डियर स्टूडेंट, डोंट फील व्हाट टू मच load and don't try to take too much load on your mind. We will study, it's a just introduction portion. We will study in a brief and brief, just we are for reading ahead and ahead chapter wise. If you're proceeding in a chapter wise like that, chapter 1 2 3, then we will learn in a brief. So don't put too much tension and then don't take too much load on the mind. So it's atomic and subatomic. If I want to measure the mass of atomic and the subatomic, so there is basically one instrument. It's a spectrometer. It's a spectrometer. Because of that spectrometer, we can calculate directly what is the mass of atomic and the subatomic. And we will discuss this chapter and this topic in a brief. Now, from my side, I have a question that I have bifurcated to measure the mass in the 3 categories. It is not given in your textbook, and it is also not given in the NCERT. It is explanation is given, but it is not bifurcated. But I have bifurcated to measure the mass. It's a bifurcated into 3 parts. Suppose first is what? Normal measurement, just like a human being, vehicles, any devices like that, any machine, any bed, table, anything like that, chair, board, like that. We can measure directly with the help of weight machine. Second is we can measure the mass of sun, moon, planet with the help of what? Newton's law of gravitation. But if you are going to deal with find out the mass of molecules, it's a very tiny molecules, elements, clear, or atoms, at that time we can use that method. It's a unified atomic mass number, 1 mu. At that time there the isotopes of carbon, C12, is used to measure that masses. Now if I am going to deal with atomic and the subatomic, at that time spectrometer is directly used. Question arise hoga, but we will discuss in a brief. Don't about that. We will discuss in a brief what is spectrometer, and I have arranged a particular one lecture for all of you, that for the basically conversion of a units. For what? Conversion of units, and which kind of instrument is used in 11th physics, which kind of instrument we are going to use in 11th physics. So for that lecture, I'm basically give the introduction about what instrument we are going to use to measure the particular diameter, radius, masses, like that. How to be convert given unit in standard unit or lowest unit. Clear? So I have kept a particular lecture for you. Don't worry about that. Clear, dear student? Clear? Clear? Yes or no? I want to know that because I'm a teacher, you are a student, not dear. So I want to know that how many of words, how many topic you are catching in your mind. So अगर मैं बोलूं masses vary from body to body, अगर मैं बोलूं body का mass vary करेगा person to person, it is possible. Suppose मैं हूं यहाँ पे, तो मेरा mass क्या है? 80 kg. If I am going to talk about the Dishita, her mass is 60 kg or 50 kg. If I am going to talk about the mass of Guru, it's a 45 kg. If I'm talking about Anamika, then her weight is 90 kg. Like that means masses vary from body to body. Masses vary from body to body. But I would just give an example of masses of some molecules. No, we will take detail in a next lecture. So dear student, I hope you will enjoy the lecture of today. And dear student, lecture छोड़ने से पहले please give me a thumb because I want to know that how many of you are interested in my lecture. How many of you are interested in my lecture? Clear? So for today it's enough. Its a total topic is what? Measurement of masses. We are bifurcated into 3 parts. Now for the today it's enough. Now for here tomorrow we are over here. We are over here with new day and the new topic and the fresh day, fresh topic. For stay tuned with our channel, with our Virtual Academy. Dear student, bye तो बोलोगे? एंड करने से पहले bye तो बोलो please. Give your thumb. Say bye. I also say want to buy. Yes. Rishita, Anamika and many more birds. Just 2 ही बच्चे यहाँ पे buy करने के लिए. Dear student, for today is enough. Now I would like to say bye. Stay tuned at home. Stay safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Good luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye dear student.